But let's get straight to our top political story tonight. Law Minister Salman Khurshid was back in the middle of a raging row this morning after he told the Indian Express that Rahul Gandhi has only done cameos so far and that the Congress needs a new ideology to meet its contemporary challenges. Within hours of the newspaper report, Mr. Khurshid was forced to clarify. He said he had been misunderstood.
Congress is directionless and Rahul Gandhi does only cameos. The Law Minister's comments to the Indian Express quite literally kicked up a political storm, and the timing couldn't have been worse for the government. Just a couple of days after the Time magazine called the Prime Minister an underperformer. While some may see this as a veiled critique of the current leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh and the reluctance of Rahul to take over from him, the Law Minister explained it thus.
Directionless कभी ना मैंने कहा ना मैं कह रहा हूं। हम अपने अतीत पे प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाते हैं। आपने जो पिछले हफ्ते रिपोर्ट किया है उस पर आज प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाते हैं, आज कुछ रिपोर्ट करके। जैसे जैसे आपको समझ आती है, सोच आती है, नए कदम आप उठाते हैं, नई दिशा आप देते हैं, नई गति आप देते हैं, तो वो कहीं भी प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाने का प्रश्न नहीं उठता है।
जो सच्चाई देश में और विदेश में आम लोगों की जबान पे चर्चा का विषय है, उस सच्चाई को कांग्रेस के नेताओं और कांग्रेस सरकार के मंत्रियों के द्वारा भी कहा जाना कोई आश्चर्यजनक बात नहीं है।
Unwittingly, he has spoken the truth. A truth which congressmen has been whispering to each other for quite some time. But Salman Khurshid has come out openly to say it, and I welcome it.
And the controversy also exposes the growing restlessness and uncertainty within the party. But Khurshid's comments have rekindled the debate in the Congress. Is Rahul Gandhi ready to assume bigger responsibilities like a position in the government or a bigger role in the party? Earlier, Foreign Minister S.M. Krishna had said the government needs Rahul Gandhi's touch, but he's unwilling. Those close to Rahul Gandhi say that even though he's primarily focused on the Youth Congress, he has moved beyond strategizing. With an eye on upcoming state polls, Rahul held youth camps in Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. In April, he visited Maharashtra's drought-affected areas, but insiders say it was more of a stock-taking of Prithviraj Chavan's performance as Chief Minister. In May, Rahul met MPs from Northeast and tribal leaders, but Rahul refuses to be pushed into any bigger role before he is ready. Will the Congress be able to work out these dilemmas in time for 2014? Only these two people hold the key. In New Delhi, with Sandeep Fukan, Sunetra Chaudhary for NDTV.
So our first big debate tonight, has Salman Khurshid basically spoken the truth about Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party? What's all the fuss about? We have two senior commentators joining us tonight. We have Swapan Das Gupta and Bharat Bhushan. We have from the Congress party Syed Kazim Ali Khan, who is a senior leader from Uttar Pradesh. Tarun Vijay, the national spokesperson of the BJP, is with us, and Shahid Siddiqui of the Samajwadi Party, who had some rather interesting things to say in that story, will be with us in the next 5 minutes or so. Let me first ask the commentators. Let me ask Mr. Bhushan first. Is there anything that you found in Salman Khurshid that surprised you, his comments that startled you? And what did you think of his clarification? Because what struck out to me was that he didn't deny that he had said any of this, except one particular word, which was directionless. He didn't deny. All he said is that we misinterpreted him.
Well, I wasn't surprised by the statements. Everybody in the country knows this, that Rahul hasn't really proved himself. He hasn't been able to give any direction to the party. The party is in a bit of a mess. What I was surprised by is that somebody as senior and as seasoned as Salman Khurshid should actually give a press interview and say these things. You don't normally, it's not part of Congress culture to criticize the Crown Prince. So the best spin one can give on it is that maybe he wants to start a debate on whether Rahul should take over or not.
That's a risky debate. That's a risky debate in the Congress.
He hasn't denied that. He's only denied that this bit about directionless. Rest of it he hasn't really denied. So is it part of a calculated move to sort of propel Rahul Gandhi center stage after his failure in UP and elsewhere? One doesn't.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.